Industrial drones and robots demand high data bandwidth, low latency, and absolute reliability for real-time video streaming, object avoidance, and onboard AI processing. Switchcraft connectors are engineered to meet these challenges, delivering rugged, sealed, and high-performance connectivity for power, signal, and data across drones, robotics, charging stations, and network infrastructure. The EP7 series of connectors are ideal for supporting high-current applications. With Insta-Click locking, screw terminals for up to 10-gauge wire, and both IP68 and IP69K sealing, EP7 is well-suited for motors, controllers, and power-hungry systems. The Microcon X series delivers compact, sealed power and signal connectivity for sensors and actuators, supporting up to 600 volts, up to 7 contacts with thousands of configurations, and available as field-installable connectors or factory-molded assemblies. Tiny QG Mini XLR connectors ensure secure camera and payload data links, even under vibration. Available in multiple pin configurations, these connectors are ideal for high-speed video and sensor data transmission. The Mini-Con X and EM3 connectors handle additional sensor and control signals with ease, supporting reliable operation in extreme conditions, while END Ethernet and patch bays deliver secure, low-latency data routing on ground systems. These solutions integrate easily into autonomous drones and robotic platforms, enabling AI-driven flight control, obstacle avoidance, and remote operation, even in harsh industrial environments. Switchcraft connectors ensure both robust power delivery and secure data links, supporting everything from flight-critical components to ground charging and monitoring stations. Learn more at Heilind.com.